For someone suffering from post-traumatic stress disorder or many other types of anxiety disorders, there are some novel solutions being investigated which may help to improve these conditions. Today, I'll briefly discuss a 4-compound stack whose synergistic benefits can complement each other. The unique compounds that I'll discuss today are lithium orotate, Emoxypine Succinate, Picamilon, and Aniracetam. Lithium orotate, unlike the prescription drug lithium carbonate, is a low-dose essential nutrient which is required for the proper functioning of certain metabolic and enzymatic processes in the body. It's been shown to normalize the production of many neurotransmitters, which may lead to a calm, relaxed, and yet still focused state of mind. This can be of great benefit in many neurological imbalances, and it may be of benefit in easing symptoms of conditions such as post-traumatic stress disorder and a variety of other anxiety and psychological disorders. Emoxypine succinate is also known as Mexidol in Russia, and it's administered there for numerous purposes, such as to protect the brain after trauma, like in a car accident. Emoxypine has many uses and benefits, such as a hangover cure, as it's a powerful antioxidant. It's also a nootropic that increases oxygenation in the brain. It has a wide spectrum of actions, particularly the antioxidant effect, the anti-hypoxic effect, and the anti-stress effect. Its chemical structure resembles that of pyridoxine, which is a type of vitamin B6, but it's been altered to cross the blood-brain barrier to target brain function and neurological conditions. In a study carried out on rats, where rats were administered electric shocks each time they would drink water, they then developed a fear of drinking. These rats were then administered amoxicillin, and they overcame their trauma and returned to drinking water, and they resumed their general risk-taking behavior rather than being paralyzed by fear. This may be of great benefit in someone with an anxiety or a post-traumatic stress disorder. Picamilon, formed by a synthetic combination of niacin and GABA. It was developed in the Soviet Union in 1969, and it was further studied in both Russia and Japan. One study in animals showed that picamilon permeated the blood-brain barrier, and then it's hydrolyzed into GABA and niacin. The release of GABA would activate the GABA receptors, potentially producing an anxiolytic response by calming the brain. The second component, niacin, is a vasodilator, which increases blood flow and oxygenation to the brain, improving focus and cognitive abilities. Aniracetam, one of the racetam family. It increases the brain's use of the neurotransmitter acetylcholine. So a dietary source of choline is usually taken alongside to supply the brain with the extra requirement for the choline. Common sources of choline can be found in eggs, but can also be in supplements like DMAE, centrophenoxine, choline bitartrate, alpha-GPC, or CDP choline. Along with improving cognition, creativity, and reducing social anxiety, Aniracetam may have numerous other benefits, such as repairing brain trauma and even increasing IQ by increasing acetylcholine receptors. Typical treatment plans with supplements and herbal remedies can last for a period of 3 months. In relation to anxiety or post-traumatic stress disorder, there's usually a few weeks before the benefits of supplementation are noticed. Then, in order to retrain the brain to be more calm and collected, the treatment is continued for up to 3 months. At this stage, the dose then gets reduced slowly and can be eliminated entirely if all the symptoms are managed and under control. In any imbalance, two of the most important bodily functions to regulate first are sleep and digestion, so watch out for more videos from me in the future on these topics.